Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I am the two-time Nebocsid award-winning Nebocsid.
I am still the one-time Nebocsid award-winning autistic chef, David Leahy. And this is my beautiful wife.
Hi.
And the proprietor of the Embracing Disability Beads, Lindsay.
You can sort of see my card. I don't know if you can see my card, but...
There you go.
And you have me, who is also a one-time Nebocsid award-winning Paul. I'm celebrating that today with my friends here for Christmas holiday.
Bah humbug.
Oh, David.
So what are you up to today, Disco?
So, we're actually filming two different videos today. One of them we're going to post on Christmas Eve. And this one, we're doing a hot chocolate, right?
That's right.
A festive hot chocolate.
Yep.
For the season.
Very minty one. It's going to be very
Okay,
festive.
I'm gonna...
Alright, you're going to boot her out. Right? Boot.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Alright, so let me get to work in here. Pot. It's very simple. Also, this is also lactose free. So anyone who who's having lactose allergies, this is lactose free.
Me.
Lindsay, anyone else? This is lactose intolerant. So, well, not really a little bit, but so first thing we're gonna do, we have peppermint mocha cream. First thing we need to do here.
That is all of it?
We'll do a lot of it. We're doing 4 portions, right? That's lactose-free cream. Mint flavored cream. Now we have our dark chocolate, hot chocolate mix, mint hot chocolate mix. Do a few scoops of this. About 3 or 4 scoops, give or take. Don't be stingy. Make sure you do a really, see? I'm using a big ass, doing a very large scoop. Don't be stingy, you cheap bastards. Now, chocolate bars. Okay, so it's not technically lactose free. Kind of is, but we're kind of cheating a little bit. We're gonna cheat just a little bit. Sweet chocolate. We have mint arrows. Throw a couple in there. You can also, if you want to, you can also add boost this as well. If you have like a peppermint schnapps, you can also add this as well. Be really good for Christmas Eve. You can have like a Christmas Eve toast. So this is another thing you can do. Just in case anyone wants anyone to have a toast Christmas Eve. I've done this before. It's really nice. Of that. I think I'll do one more. What the hell? I'm feeling really generous today. And also feeling like a bit of a dick. So. Oh wait, I am a dick. That goes in there. Also going to add just a touch of a homemade, this is not sweet chili sauce, it's homemade mint simple syrup. So fresh mint, sugar, water. You let it boil for about 20 minutes or so. So the mint is really wilted. All that flavor up. You strain the mint from the syrup. You got simple syrup. Don't need that much, just a little bit of it. So you can tell it's going to be very, very minty. It's going to be extremely minty. God damn it. I hate this thing.
You can make a mint off of it.
Oh, yes you can. We can make a mint off this motherfucker. If we can.
It's in mint condition.
It's in mint condition. Oh, even worse. Please, God, if you're there, please. Or for Santa, if you're there, or if Christmas, you need to kill me now. Please, Santa, kill me now.
We meant to do that to you.
A little bit.
I won't tell you the whole secret. I'll just give you a mint. A hint.
Oh. God damn it, dude.
I think the more that we say, the more that David is slowly dying inside.
Well, he's dead inside. We're gonna have him kill me inside already. I'm basically dead inside already. Ah! Ay, vey. Oiga, oy, vey. There you go. If you want to add booze, you can add like vodka or peppermint schnapps as well. Just gotta let that come to a boil. It'll take a few minutes, maybe about Takes about 10 minutes, but make sure you keep a close eye on it when you do, because once it starts to boil, it will rise really fast, so you do not want it to spill. But keep also constantly stirring it, Also be another good idea. Because I don't think we have enough for everyone. I'm going to be safe here. I'm going to add a little milk to it. A little more milk to it, just to be safe.
Yeah, Fairlife I think is lactose free.
Yeah.
Fairlife is, yeah, it's lactose free.
Well, everything I use is lactose free because of Lindsay.
Right.
I have no problem with it. Like, I found the transition between lactose free been very, very easy over the last 4 years I've been with Lindsay. I found the transition between lactose free.
That Fairlife is actually
it's been really, really. I haven't even noticed. I've been using lactose free. I haven't even noticed.
Nice.
So, no complaints on my end, folks. Ignore the smoking stovetop. Sorry. Does that a lot. It's a pain in the ass, this thing.
It's part of the pyrotechnic aspect of the show.
Yeah, but there is pyrotechnics in the show, yes. And you know what? I'm gonna have one more talk about. I'm feeling a little bit dickish today. I'm feeling a little bit like a dick, so screw it. Maybe I'll add.
Yeah, it's so mean of you that you're adding more chocolate to all of this tasty drink. You're such a cruel person.
Yeah, I'm an asshole. At least I know it.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa.
Ah, crud. Ah, criminy. Criminy. Ah, criminy. Ay, caramba.
Minnie! Minnie! He said cry Minnie.
Minnie!
Ah. Lord, kill me now.
So what would you say is the most difficult part of this whole recipe?
Just gotta keep an eye on it, or else it's gonna once milk gets really hot, it expands. And you know whipping cream, right? When you heat whipping cream, after all it expands, it gets really, really hot. And then it expands, and then it kind of goes over your spills over real fast. So you gotta be very careful about it.
That makes sense.
And chocolate can actually burn pretty easily too.
Yes, chocolate burns very also burns very quickly too as well. That's another thing I forgot to mention.
So you have to keep stirring it and just kind of keep an eye on it and make sure.
Absolutely, yes.
That makes sense.
Always keep a close eye on it. I think it's ready actually. Nice to have working hands today to help me with this.
Indeed.
Thank you very much.
He's only paying me half of the regular salary, but I'm okay with that.
I'm not that cheap, you bastard. Come on, I'm not that cheap. Am I? Jesus. What am I, some guy cheapskate? Jesus. It's not like a total. It's not like Scrooge. What am I, Scrooge? Fuck you. What am I? I'm not Scrooge, am I? Screw you guys. Yes, I'm disorganized. Bite me.
But it's dark chocolate, so it should be okay.
There's also milk chocolate too as well. The Arrow as well.
Yeah, no, the arrow is dark chocolate, I think.
No, it's regular chocolate, I think.
I can't remember.
Have you tried being that organized? You said you were disorganized, so...
Oh, this is that.
Oh,
It's the other thing organized.
God damn it. This is yours. We'll do yours first. This one over here is coconut. This is going to be Lindsay.
Oh, nom, 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 nom.
There you go. Suck on that, Starbucks. How's that? Suck on that, Starbucks. Kiss my ass. I can do it good at Starbucks. There you go.
So how do sun dollars differ from regular dollars anyway?
Yeah.
Because, you know, Starbucks, the sun is a star, bucks are dollars.
That one kind of sucked. Oops. I'm not perfect, but fuck it. Whatever. That was not bad. So this one will be a little better.
Try to make one of them as like absolutely tall as you can. Like keep the spiral going. No.
Alright, looks not great, but not bad, hey. Little shaved chocolate. Using mint chocolate here, using a after 8 mint bar here.
Nom, nom, nom.
So, using mint chocolate here. Of course.
Looking really nice.
Go with the mint theme here, kids. Christmas mint theme. You can smell the mint here. Oh God. My mother was here. She'd be in heaven on earth right now. If my mother was here. Mintaholic. My mother would be in mint heaven right now if we had this here.
Yeah, like Homer Simpson being addicted to it. He's a rage-ahol. I'm addicted to Mint-a-hol.
I am definitely a mentaholic.
This is the minter of your discontent.
Minter?
Yeah, like
Minter.
winter.
Oh,
Jesus.
Wow, nice.
That was horrible. That was horrible for you. That was horrible.
You gotta know half the dictionary to come up with some of
For
these
the
words.
love of God, kill me now. For the love of God. So, candy cane. Hey.
I sneezed.
Hey, during a pandemic, that's nothing to sneeze at, Lindsay.
Huh.
Yeah, true. Nothing to sneeze at right now.
My coworker, last year, every time he sneezed, he would say like, "Not COVID," just to
Not COVID.
just
Not
to
COVID.
just to be on the safe side. So everyone.
That's pretty good. I actually like that, actually. That's pretty good, actually. So these three are for us. That one's for Lindsay over there.
Now, my mind would be like, okay, it's Novid.
COVID, Novid.
Yeah, because it's not COVID, so it's
Oh,
Novid.
nice, yes.
Novid. Oh, Ive. Oiga Volt. Oh, my God. I'm just having fun with this. Come on. Unwrap, you son of a... Got it. Yay!
Is that a beach ball?
Son of a beach ball. Son of a beach ball. And I'm not done yet. I ain't done yet, folks. One more thing. Cookie. Cookie.
Oh yeah, dude, those are awesome. This is
Cookie.
garnished very well, I must say, Mr. Chef.
Take
Well, as they say in the business, you eat with your eyes before your mouth.
This is true. This is very true.
That looks very nice. Actually, I'm actually very happy with that. It looks really nice. It looks really nice. Damn, I'm actually kind of happy with that. God damn. All right, well, before I'm gonna move these over, I'm gonna take a photo of one at least before we drink. Do you mind?
Go
Take
ahead.
a photo of mine.
Okay, I will. I found my phone here. Oh, it's right here.
You
Duh.
want me to?
I got mine right here. Get this out of the way. So I gotta take a couple photos here. I gotta do this.
Is there like a cold version that you can make of this similar to it? Like, do you think? Like
Probably.
in the summertime, you
You
could
do like
have
a frap. We could do like a frap kind of thing.
Yeah. Oh, wow,
You could do like a frap with this kind of. Yeah, you could.
That's a good idea.
Hot chocolate frap with chocolate and then whip. Yeah, you could.
Yeah,
We gotta try that hot chocolate frap.
dude, in the summertime, that'd be cool.
That sounds like a good idea. Hot chocolate frap.
Nom nom nom.
Oh, we're trying. All right, we're trying that in the summer.
Cool.
We'll do one with. Oh yeah, we'll definitely do that. All right, well guys, get in here. Everyone, dig in here.
Wow.
The cups are doing. I thought it would be scalding, but it's not. It's a good temperature.
Yeah,
All right,
that's
so
good
from
hot
all our
too.
family to yours.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas
Merry
from
Christmas,
the
everyone.
chef and
Cheers.
the box said. Merry Christmas, folks.
Cheers.
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 Salud. Bah humbug. And until
Bah humbug.
next time, guys.
I am the two-time Nebocsid winning Nebocsid.
And I am still the one-time the Box Awards winning assistant chef David Leahy. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's,
Cheers.
from our family to yours. Cheers, folks.
Cheers.
Salud.
Bye, everybody.
It's good.
Yeah. So my first impressions of this hot chocolate, it's very flavorful and it's chocolatey, but I find with certain hot chocolates, they don't have enough chocolatiness to them, or they have too much chocolatiness to them, and then they're just kind of like, it's hard to enjoy it because it's hitting you in the face or your taste buds so hard with so much chocolate flavor. But with this that David made is a very nice middle ground between not too much and not too little. It's very, very good, and the mint is a nice character. That flavor is really apparent there. The mint is really nice too.
Yeah.
So and the whipped cream is nice. Shavings are a pleasure, so it's very
Salud.
good.
Cheers, my friend.
Indeed.
Thank you very much. Cheers, guys.
Yeah, it kind of reminds me of
You
last
did
year.
review, that's why I wanted to throw you in there.
Oh, thanks.